Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Deepak Nitride Q1 Financial 22 results and last 1 year results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year on year and quarter on quarter results, but will give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in crores. First, revenue from operations. Here year on year results, that means 30 June 20 with 30 June 21. So last year they got 674 crores, now 1526 crores. Here revenue from operations was increased, we'll check it in percentage. 126 percentage year on year increase. This is very good figure. This is positive side. Later other income. Previous year 6.7 crores, now 8.25 crores. Here only little bit increase. We'll ignore this one. Later expenses. Here cost of material consumed. Previous year 318 crores, now 915 crores. Here also approximately 600 crores cost of materials consumed increase. So here revenue from operations increased very high and also cost of material consumed also increased. Later change in inventories. Previous year they spent 15 crores, this year 95 crores credited. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 61 crores, now 68 crores. Here 7 crores was increased. This is not an issue. Why means here revenue from operations are increased very high. So here employee benefit expenses increased only 7 crores. Later finance cost. Previous year they paid 24 crores as interest. Now they decreased to 10 crores. So this is positive side. They are paying very less interest. That means this is minimal debt company. That is positive side. Here interest decreased. Later depreciation. Previous year 31 crores, now 43 crores. Later power and fuel cost. Previous year 42 crores, now 88 crores. Here power and fuel cost increased approximately 46 crores. Why means here revenue from operations increase and also cost of material consumed also increasing. To manufacture large quantity, they used more power. Later, other expenses. Previous year 55 crores, now 97 crores. Here other expenses increase. Later, profit before tax. Previous year 132 crores, now 405 crores. Here approximately 270 crores profit before tax increase. This is very good figure. We'll check it in percentage. Here 207 percentage profit before tax increase. If you observe this one, revenues is 126 percentage, but profit before tax is 207 percentage. That means they decreased expenses. That is positive side. Later tax expense. Current tax. Previous year 26 crores, now 99 crores. So revenue is increased, so current tax also increased. Later deferred tax. Previous year 7 crores, now 2 crores. Here deferred tax decreased. Later net profit for the period. Previous year 33 crores, now 180 crores. Here approximately 70 crores was increased. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. Here 205 percentage year on year profit after tax increase. If we observe this one, profit before tax and profit after tax both are similar. That means they're paying taxes correctly. That is positive side. Later, here diluted and basic earning per share. Previous year 7.25 rupees, now 22.19 rupees. Here approximately 15 rupees earning per share was increased. This is positive side. Now let's check quarter on quarter results. In March quarter, they got 1563 crores, now 1526 crores. Here revenue from operations increase. We'll check it in percentage. Here 4% quarter on quarter increase. This is positive side. Later profit before tax. Previous year 389 crores, now 405 crores. This one also increase. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. Here 4% quarter on quarter increase. Later net profit. It was increased from 290 crores to 302 crores. So here 12 crores increase. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. 4% quarter-on-quarter increase. What we observed based on year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. Year-on-year results are excellent. Quarter-on-quarter results are flat, but will give more importance for year-on-year. So here, Deepak Nitrite year-on-year results are excellent. We need to remember one point at the time of comparing year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter. So last year June quarter contains strict lockdowns. This year few days are lockdowns in June quarter. We need to remember that point. So we can't compare quarter-on-quarter with year-on-year, and also we can't compare last year June quarter with current June quarter. Why means last year June quarter contains strictly lockdowns, so approximately 2 to 3 months lockdowns are there. But this year only few weeks lockdowns are there. We need to remember that point to consider last year June quarter with current June quarter results. But overall Deepak Nitrite year-on-year results are excellent. Now check segment results. Go down. Here segment revenues and segment profits. So they have four businesses. One is basic chemicals, fine specialty chemicals, performance products, phenolics. First one is basic chemicals. Previous year 146 crores, now 248 crores. Here approximately 100 crores was increased. Later fine and specialty chemicals. Previous year 139 crores, now 206 crores. Here also 70 crores was increased. Later performance products, it was increased from 60 crores to 93 crores. Later phenolics, it was increased from 330 crores to 998 crores. So it approximately 660 crores increase. So what we observed based on these revenues. Here phenolics contains high business. It was increased from 330 crores to 998 crores. So this is high business. Later basic chemicals and fine specialty chemicals. Now check profits. First one is basic chemicals. Previous year 36 crores, now 85 crores. Here revenues are 146 crores to 248 crores. Profits are 36 to 85. Here they are getting good profit margins. This is positive side. Later fine and specialty chemicals. It was increased from 61 crores to 67. Here 6 crores was increased. But if you see the revenues, it was increased from 139 crores to 206. Here revenues are very high, but profit margins are less. So here they are getting less profit margins for fine and specialty chemicals. Next one is performance products. Previous year 6 crores, now 2 crores. Here margins are decreased. If we see this one here, performance products, it was increased from 60 crores to 93 crores. They are getting 93 crores revenues, but they are only getting 2 crores as a profits. Here profit margins are very less. We need to understand this point. Later phenolics. Previous year 69 crores, now 287 crores. If you see this one phenolics revenues, previous year 330 crores to 998 crores. Here profit margins also very high for phenolics. So they are getting more profit margins for phenolics and basic chemicals and less profit margins for performance products and fine specialty chemicals. Now check valuation ratios. Current price of Deepak Nitrite is 1898 rupees. So Deepak Nitrite results came after market hours. We'll check the dividends. Go to corporate actions. Here in 2018 they gave 1 rupee 30 paise as dividend. In 19 2 rupees, 20 4.5 rupees. Here if you see this one, it was increased from 1.3 to 2 rupees. This is good side. Then 2 to 4.5. Here they double the dividend. This is positive side. Then 4.5 to 5.5. So here also 1 rupee increase. So every year they are giving dividends constantly, and also they are increasing dividend continuously. This is positive side. Later here ROCE of Deepak Nitrite is 40%. This is very good figure. ROE is 40. This is also very good figure. Deepak Nitrite ROCE and ROE are excellent. Later debt to equity is 0.25, and also they decreased debt in this quarter. That means they have minimal debt. That is positive sign. Later Free cash flow for 5 years is 315 crores. This is very good sign. Later, here price to sales is 4.97. This is reasonable price to sales due to other valuation ratios like ROCE, ROE and PE. Now check last 1 year results with price. Here we have 1 year price chart. Before 1 year, price of Deepak Nitrite is 613 rupees. Current price is 1900. So it was increased from 613 rupees to 1900. This is very good sign. Now check the results. Here September results is there. In September quarter, sales decreased 2%, but profits increased 13%. This good sign. Later in December quarter, sales increased 10% and profits increased 38%. Here good results. In March quarter, sales increased 38%, profits increased 68%. This good sign. Later in June quarter, sales increased 126%, profits increased 205%. Here in each quarter, they are getting good revenues and also profits. Due to these results, here price was increased from 600 to 1900. This is positive side. Now we will compare current PE with 3 years and 5 years median PE. PE before result is 33.3. PE after result is 26.4. Deepak Nitrite results are excellent. Due to that one, PE was reduced from 33 to 26. This is very good sign. Current PE is 26.4 and 3 years median PE is 26. 5 years median PE is 26. So current PE is near to 3 years and 5 years median PE. That means currently Deepak Nitrite is reasonable valued or undervalued in the overvalued market conditions. Conclusion is pros. Minimal debt company. Year-on-year results are excellent. Reasonable valued based on 3 years median PE are undervalued. Cons is price increases from 600 rupees to 1900 rupees. We need to remember this point at the time of considering to invest or not in this company for long term. Fundamentally, Deepak Nitrite is good company and also currently it's available at reasonable or undervalued. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.